so let's get started and check out this section. So we will be converting the HTML and CSS files we made into a fully functional WordPress site. What we're looking at right now is the static HTML file index.html that we made in the previous section. And right now I'm just checking out some pages in the services and portfolio pages. See, clicking the links won't really do anything right now. And then clicking this will send us to the portfolio single page, as you can see right here. Okay, looks good. Now checking the blog page with its static content that we created. And as you can see, clicking the title won't do anything right now. So here's the single post that we created as well upon clicking the read more button. And lastly, we're going to check out the hire me or the contact page. So these are all the pages we're going to convert from a static HTML file to a fully functional WordPress site. So that's exciting. So what we're looking at right now is the WordPress site we're going to make in this course. As you can see. Okay. Looking good. And looking at the portfolio, we have functional filter buttons. As you can see right there, it's working awesome. And inside the single portfolio item, we have this dynamic portfolio data which we can edit in the dashboard. And a simple query that shows our latest portfolio items right there in the bottom. And in our blog page, we see our WordPress post listed. And this is the single post. As you can see, it already worked upon clicking the title, and we have a comment system right there from discuss, and the contact page. So this is what we're going to make in this section, which is mainly focused on WordPress conversion. So let me just close the WordPress tab and the static site tab. Okay. Awesome. Alright, so let's get started. So here's a local installation of WordPress that I made, where we are going to work with a conversion throughout this section. Okay, so before we continue, we need to start off from a starter theme to speed up our production. And since we're using Twitter Bootstrap, we'll be using 320press WP Bootstrap theme right here. This theme is basically a WordPress starter theme with Twitter Bootstrap installed already. But in this course, we will be using a modified version of this theme that I modified, which doesn't change how the theme works, but changing the file structure a bit. Okay, so if you could hang with me, and this right here is the modified WP Bootstrap theme that I'm talking about. Let's copy the theme directory and paste it inside our local installation of WordPress, which is inside MAMP or MAMP, htdocs, portfolio, WP content, and themes right there. Okay, and let's paste it over here. There you go. Okay, let me just close this for a bit, and we'll go inside our admin dashboard and go to appearance. Then we can just activate the theme we just added right here. And as you can see, it tells us that the new theme is now activated, so that's good. The next thing we'll do is to create the pages, some dummy posts, categories, set up the menus, and change some settings. Okay, so let's open up our static HTML again so we can have a reference. There you go. Hola! Alright, so first is we're going to make these pages found in the menu. And then let's go to our WordPress site's dashboard. Pages, add new, and create all the pages. So I hope I'm not going too fast for you guys. You can always pause and replay. Alright, click publish, and then click add new again. Then create the rest of the pages. So let me speed things up a bit right here. Okay, this is blog, services, this is the services page, add new again. So next would be portfolio, Okay, and hire me, or which is the contact page right there. Awesome. Okay, so let's go to all pages now that we have created them. Okay, looking good. Okay, we can delete the sample page right now. Now we're going to create the categories required for the portfolio. So let's go to post and then categories. First thing, let me give a quick checkup on the portfolio page real quick. So here's our portfolio page, and these are the subcategories. Let's go back to our categories page in the dashboard and create the categories. So it was portfolio. So I'm just naming this one portfolio, and just then click add new category. So right there. Then for the subcategories, we'll set its parent to portfolio. So first we're going to do web design. As you can see right there, parent is portfolio. Okay. So next, app design, portfolio, photography, portfolio. Next, we'll be creating dummy post. Go to all post and then click add new above. Then add a title, another blog post. Okay, let's speed things up a bit. I'm just gonna copy paste that in here and then click publish. Now let's add the portfolio items, which is also a post, and then click add new. So just in case you're getting worried that it's going too fast, it's actually me speeding it up just so we're agile in learning this. And in order for this post to be considered a portfolio item, we need to apply any subcategories of the category portfolio. In this case, web design, and then hit publish. Make sure that subcategory is clicked. Okay, and then we'll do the same for the rest of the portfolio items. So I'm going to speed it up again. So portfolio app design, and then click app design, publish. And then portfolio photography, copy there, photography, publish. And there you go. So next is to set up the blog page to list all the posts, and then set the home page as the front page. We can do this under the settings and then reading. By default, your home page will show your latest post right here. Okay. But here in your landing page, you will find all your blog posts, since that's what it's set to. Okay. So to change that, let's go back to reading settings and then check a static page. There you go. And then looking at our static site inside home, we have our front page content. And in our blog page, we have all our posts listed. So that's what we want to achieve. So under the settings for reading settings, we have to change the front page to home, and then the post page to blog. There you go. And then hit save settings. Awesome. Next is we're going to create the menu for the navigation bar. Okay. So that's what we want to achieve right there, the home all the way to hire me. So to do that, we will go back to our dashboard and go to appearance and then menus. There you go. And then add the menu name. You can put anything you want. I'll put primary menu and then hit create menu. Awesome. Now next, we're going to check the pages that we want to add here in the left. Okay, so I click everything and then click add to menu. And next is we're going to want to rearrange them in the order of your preference. So in this case, I'm just going to put home, and then services, and then portfolio. All right, let me give it a quick check. Also, it's services, portfolio, blog. Okay, so next is blog, and then hire me, and then I'm going to click save menu. Then we need to set this menu to location in our theme created by WP Bootstrap. So actually, before you save, you make sure to do this. So in this case, the main menu location, we have to check it and then hit save menu. There you go. Okay, now let's check our front end and reload the page. There you go. So as you can see, we have our pages displayed in the menu bar or the navigation bar. And as you may also notice, we have our home page as the landing page of our website. This is because of the reading settings. And in our blog page, we will find all of the posts listed. So once again, that's because of the reading settings that we just updated. That's looking good. Okay, so my site. Okay, so forgot about one thing actually, which is the permalink settings. So I want to go back to the dashboard under settings and then go to permalinks. So let me show you one thing first. When I navigate through the pages, if you look at the URL, the link shows a combination of symbols, numbers, and letters, right? They're like portfolio/page ID -8. So that's not really what we want, and it's not good for SEO and just for visual aspect of it. So we want to put that to post name and then save, and then let's go back to our front page. As we reload, now you can see it's more human friendly kind of URL. So it's, and you know, your site/portfolio. It's not numbers and symbols. So in the next lesson, there's gonna get more technical. So I hope you're ready, and I'll see you.